then I will never be lonely again.
The man waited a clever trunk, and another called the nightingale.
Why have you captured me? I long listened to you sing now a century of enchant.
Don't you know the nightingale never sing when they are in a cage?
Then I guess I will have to eat you. I heard the nightingales make a roll a tasty meal.
I'm not worth killing and eating. Set me free, and I will tell you 3 things worth a lot more than my little body.
I doubt that you know the things so important.
Don't forget that I fly to many places. I learn of many things in my travels.
Alright, then I will set you free.
The man opened the cage, and the nightingale flew to a high tree.
Now tell me all the things, Nightingale.
First, never believe a promise given by someone in a cage.
I have surely learned the lesson.
Second, keep what you already have.
You're right about that too.
Third, don't be sad over what you lost forever. And then the nightingale flew away, and the